Hello there. What is in the cards for us today? I am drawing a card at random and it says, ooh, savor. Ooh, I love that. So an intention with the word savor. The first thing that comes to my mind would be to really savor all the wonderful blessings that we have in our lives, because we all have some, and it's just a matter of looking for them and putting our focus on them. An intention tip that I want to share with you is when you write your intention down, because we do want to write it down, take a picture of it with your phone and make it be like your home screen or your wallpaper for the day. So every time you pick up your phone, there's your intention. And that always brings it back and puts your focus on it, because you keep coming back to it, not just in the morning. Let me know what intention you set with the word savor. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. And remember, intend well.